They feel like the percentages are in their favor.
Runner goes on. This hit a long way. Deep right field. Markakis going back. And it's off the fence. And now they're saying it's a home run. The first base umpire, that's Paul Schreiber, gave it the sign. And Adam Kennedy, a two-run homer. And the Mariners are on top. Olivo was on the move with the pitch. For Adam Kennedy, his third home run. RBIs 7 and 8. Mariners on top early here in Baltimore.
Take a look at our Coors Light freeze cam with Adam Kennedy. Gets a fastball middle in. I thought maybe a little too much topspin on it. The ball was coming down in a hurry. Nice effort by Markakis, but it was up over